2002 Ford F550 Super Duty 7.3, no signal light. Check all the fuse, which my tester, everything is fine. And then I have to look for the relay for the signal, the turn signal flasher, or some people call it a relay. To find the relay, I'm gonna show you. You have to open the fuse box first, which I did. This is the fuse box. It's a fuse panel. Open up with a screwdriver and go to the right side by the gas pedal on the top. I use my finger right there by the back, and then you can see the relay. Look it down. I don't know if you can see, is the blue relay right there. Like you can see, you can go from the bottom, use your hand to pull out. There we go. Put a new relay and everything back to normal. 2002 Ford F550 7.3 diesel turn signal flasher location. Thank you. See you next time.